Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Mumbai Car Boy. Today we are here on this last day of our travel to Delhi, and we decided to actually go ahead and see the Qutub Minar. I've been here in 2013-14, but yes, the boys are there. You can see Ruben and Inderjeet over there, and we're going to go ahead and check out Qutub Minar. We are actually here very early. We are at around 9:15 because we thought we'll have some time to click pictures, explore the place very well, and let's take you to Qutub Minar and explore it together. So this is basically how we have to pay for the tickets, but unfortunately Inderjeet was unable to do it, and that's why he's come back. Are you able to do it?
No.
Okay, he's not been able to do it.
Multiple choices, but
Yeah, they're doing it.
see.
And that's the entrance. So we're going to go ahead and see if these guys are actually able to do it or not, and then go inside. So stay tuned. And the doggy is going free, huh? Very nice. So we're almost going in. So Inderjeet has managed to actually get the tickets. Over here you can see lines for foreign tourists, Indian ladies, Indian gents, children, and emergency gate. So this is basically for the entry, and let's go ahead and scan this ticket.
सामने से टिकट ले आइए वोट पार कर।
चलो हाँ टिकट भाई टिकट दिखाओ. So the security uncle is asking for a ticket.
जल्दी आगे बढ़िए।
चलो आगे बढ़िए. And here we go. So we're inside, and over here it says the Mughal Mosque is over here, and Mughal Sarai. So these are the two places. The Mughal Garden. So you can see the Mughal Garden. So this is the Mughal Garden that you can see, and over there behind is the mosque. So that's the Mughal Mosque. So let's go inside, and that's the beautiful Qutub Minar that you can see. Just imagining, without the cranes and without equipments, how did they do the how did they build this is the biggest mystery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a small kind of a demo where Khiljis tried to make the same thing over here to copy them. That's right, Inderjeet?
Yeah.
So we're going to show you that. Let's go up, climb this small little stairway that you see right here, and go up and show you what they tried doing but did not succeed as beautiful as Qutub Minar. Come along. So right here, now Inderjeet will show it to you after I zoom in. So this is basically what that was built. And you can see they tried doing their best but did not succeed as beautifully as the Qutub Minar. We'll show you around as well, but let's go ahead and check how they did it on a close-up. Wow. So we're almost close to the Minar, but we're going to check out these places where the tombs are. So this is basically where Kua or a well is. Let me go up and see if there is water or it's dried up. Oh. No, it's all dried up. So that's an amazing view from here. You can check that out.
So the Khilji tried to build a double minar that is the size of the Qutub Minar. So that is why these pillars are there, uncompleted and uneven. So they say that the tomb and the central is
The
something.
The dome.
No, not the dome. Now there's no dome. So it's just like, you know, it's a open circle to see the sky. So they say it's a architectural intelligence used by Mughals, but some claim that there was a dome which fell down and which could not survive the era. Then again his son-in-law tried to build it up.
The Qutub Minar is a minaret, and the Victory Tower is what they call it, that forms part of the Qutub complex. It is an UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Mehrauli area of New Delhi, India. It's one of the most visited tourist spots when one is in Delhi, and being one of the earliest that survives in the Indian subcontinent. The stories of Qutub Minar vary in size, style, and material due to the varying architects and builders constructing each section. Well, the Qutub Minar consists of 5 stories of red and grey sandstone. The lowest story, also known as the basement story, was completed during the lifetime of Ghiyat al-Din Muhammad, a sultan during the Ghurid dynasty. So we have almost finished this tour of ours, which started at 8:30ish. It's almost 10:45, and we've seen most of the places within Qutub Minar. Of course, I hope you enjoyed this small little vlog that I tried doing for you, because there were many people like you're in Delhi and you've not done a vlog. So that's the reason this was the only place that we could visit during the day. And this is Mumbaikar, that is the Qutub Minar. See you on our next vlog. Till then, peace out, ride safe.